I'm Dr. Rimchim Pal, consultant gynecologist and obstetrician practicing in Kolkata for the last 15 years. Today I'm here to discuss about some do's and don'ts in the first trimester of pregnancy. The first trimester of pregnancy is the first 12 weeks or 3 months of your pregnancy. So as soon as you come to know about your pregnancy, please consult your doctor immediately, as the doctor would confirm your pregnancy, do some examinations, order some blood test, do a dating scan, and will prescribe you some medications. If you suffer from any chronic medical illness like diabetes, thyroid, sugar, then he will ensure adequate control of these medical conditions. Coming to the medications, first and foremost is the folic acid. The recommended dose for folic acid is 5 mg per day to avoid neural tube defects in your babies. Some other medications will also be required as per your symptoms like nausea, acidity, constipation, that your doctor will decide. Next important point is please stop smoking, use of recreational drugs and alcohol use. Remember, there is no recommended dose of alcohol consumption in pregnancy. Many a times most patients ask me, doctor, can I use coffee or tea in the day? So yes, you can. The recommended dose of caffeine is 200 mg per day. So that means it comes around 2 small cups of coffee per day. But do remember, caffeine is also present in green tea, health drinks, etc. Please avoid self-medication. If you have any pets, particularly cats, please avoid cleaning cat litters as it may cause toxoplasmosis in your babies. Please avoid raw, uncooked meat, processed meats. Wash your vegetables and fruits properly and then consume them. You should have food at frequent intervals, small portion at frequent intervals to avoid acidity. A diet rich in fiber will ensure that there is no constipation, and take lots and lots of water. Adequate rest is very important in the first trimester of pregnancy. You should remain active in your first trimester of pregnancy. Light exercises like yoga, pelvic stretching, walking, which is 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, is very important in the first trimester of pregnancy. So remember, first trimester can be little tricky and uncomfortable for some people, but if you follow all these tips, then you can easily sail through. Thank you so much.